video has been sponsored by Kingmaps FiveGuard and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a MRPD MLO by Kingmaps into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. This is MLO which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview video of the MLO. You just have to click over here and get the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just have to extract the files into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. After when you purchase the MLO, you will also receive the util script of the Kingmaps into your CFX portal. You have to download that as well. So that's all for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is a police department MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here, as you can see. So now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the entrance of the police department, as you can see. Let's go over here. Over here you will find the meeting room of the police department. And here you will find all the details of rooms and floors, as you can see. This is the garage of the police department over here, as you can see. And there we go, here we have cells of the police department. And over here we have the armory. And there are much more things which you can explore in this MLO. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.